Hey guys, this is Kevin with Heartland Honda, and I'm going over the HRR216VYA lawnmower with you today. Okay guys, this is the HRR216VYA mower. It's going to be kind of the top tier mower for the HRR series. It's going to have a lot of the same key features that the HRR series shares, but it's going to get a couple of new ones as well. Adjustable throttle control there on your left hand. This is going to be a smart drive, which means it's going to be ergonomically set. So if you have bigger hands, smaller hands, different posture than say me, you're going to be able to set that for your own comfortability. Something else that's new for these is going to be the roto stop. That means you're going to be able to stop your blades, take the bag off, and do it without having to pull start your mower again. It will keep the motor running. Now down here, this is going to be the HRR standard 12 gauge steel deck, and it's also going to have the 3-in-1 Versamo clip director. There's a trap door underneath the mower that's going to direct your trimmings either to the bottom of the mower or towards the bag, which can be taken off. Guys, come in, check these out at Heartland Honda. Remember, Heartland Honda is Arkansas's first level 5 powerhouse dealership. We're also a premier dealership, which means we provide excellence in customer sales and services. Speaking of service, we have 2 red level techs on staff. All Hondas are treated equally, but it's the dealership that makes the difference.
Work hard.